discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Woo. How we doing today, man?
Great, man. Staying cool. Trying to.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I'm Randy. I've got 9 15-inch resilient sound platinums. I've got trauma 3Ks on each one.
Okay.
I've got 16 8s, 4 6s, 4 10s,
Yep.
and 10 20s, and 4 suppression.
Nice. That looks good.
Thank you.
That's
I just got it
pretty
done about 2 weeks ago. I hadn't had no time to test or tune yet.
So what made you do front subs mounted regular instead of doing all of them across the bottom? Just curious.
Because of the ratio I wanted.
Yeah. So you want? Are you like a 3-to-1 or? Yeah, you wanted a 3-to-1. Got it.
I'm at a 3-to-1 ratio right now. And next year it'll be completely different.
Well,
Yeah. Right now I just went and changed it back over from a 6 order to a 4th order.
okay.
So
You like 4th or 6th more? 4th. Is it louder or windier or what is it?
it's louder.
Louder? Okay.
It's a lot louder. It is windy.
Yeah.
Right now I'm running at half power.
Okay. Yes, sir. Wow.
Half power. I got the amps turned around.
Yes, sir. Is there a way I can see the amps too?
Yeah.
Awesome. So you have only half of these ran or they're turned down?
They're all turned down.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. That was awesome. You're welcome. Everybody, this is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Randy system he was showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase Show. Really impressive to see him fit 9 15-inch subs inside of his SUV and a really big ratio 4th order enclosure. So go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the box layout with the inverted subs on the top and the front baffle of the subs mounted regular, and the amplifier viewing. I got a close-up inside of there. I hope you enjoyed that, where you can kind of see the layout of how the amps are. To fit 9 amplifiers inside of the back panel, amplifier rack is really hard to do and a lot of wiring, but he did it right. And I'm really impressed to see that he decided to go with 3,000 watt amplifiers instead of running like 3 or 4 8,000 watt amplifiers like most people would run. So very unique style. You're going to see these subwoofer flex and the coil action during the demo with 9 15-inch subs on 27,000 watts total on this system. And keep in mind, he didn't turn it all the way up during the demo, but he did give us the action. So hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile, and enjoy the demo. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yes, sir.
I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man, not a
That's
problem.
really musical.
I see you today.
Yes, sir. That was
I follow
awesome.
you all the time.
I do a lot of videos.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.